Let's first take a look at searching for civil court data on OpenCDC. We've attempted to make our interface as simple as possible. There are really only a couple things to do here. Let's start by searching for a keyword we think is relevant to the cases we want to view. I'll search for pay. Notice how the information we share with the user is neat and succinct. There is no need to bombard the user other than with information that allows them to find the case they are looking for. Next, I'm going to choose a case that interests me. Here, I can see all the information on this case. Notice that I can see the title, a description, uploaded case files, and some important graphs related to the case. At the top of the page, you're able to seamlessly download the case. We offer a PDF version for most common use cases, but provide CSV data for researchers and statisticians alike. Next, I'm going to show you what our filtered search looks like. Keep in mind that this is still an early rendition of the product. Let's say I want to search for a judge. There are a couple things to note about this search. Instead of only cases showing up in the results, a judge has appeared. There is a profile picture allowing for easy recognition of the judge, a couple cases that the judge has recently deliberated, and a follow button. Let's see what happens when we click on follow. If the user is not already signed in, they are taken to the sign up page. Following users is one of the many perks you can get for creating an account. Fortunately, an account has already been made for us, so let's sign in. After signing in, we are brought back to the page we left off on. Notice now that we are following the judge. A new button has appeared. Let's click it. Here we can change the notification settings for our judge. This would include some information like when a judge has deliberated on a case or when they have been chosen for a case. Let's go ahead and select some settings. Great. So we've learned about using our search engine, using our filters, viewing a case and its components like graphs and case files, and how we can follow users and enable notification settings for those users. Next, we are going to take a look at creating cases. In our realization for how non-digitized civil court data is, we've created a seamless solution for any official to create cases. First, let's start off by signing into an official account. Notice that a new button has appeared in the header. Let's click on it. We've been brought to an interface for adding cases. Check out all the various types of inputs. We've made it extremely easy to understand which types of input is required where. Let's go ahead and start filling out information for a case. Whoa, what are these? To allow users to be able to search a judge, plaintiff, defendant, or lawyer, that user must be added to the case. Through the drop-down search menu, we are able to search for a user and add them to a case. Let's go ahead and do that. Here we allow users to upload files related to the case. Notice the various types of files we have here. OpenCDC has a very open policy when it comes to file uploads. Our technical stack allows almost any file to be uploaded. Let's finish off by submitting the case.